Hi friends, we're going to do another listening activity to see what a great listener you have become. Before we get started, there are some materials you need. You need this coloring sheet and you need your crayons. So if you don't have those things, pause the video and go and get them. All right, reach up and turn those listening ears on. The first step is always the same. I grab a pencil and write my name. So pause the video and write your name if you haven't done it yet. Next, you're going to need a gray crayon. You're going to color this cute little bunny gray. Pause the video and color him gray. Next, you need pink. You're going to color the inside of his ears. There's a little piece right here and this big piece right here, pink. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video. All right, now get your orange out because you're going to color 3 carrots. 1, 2, 3, orange. How many carrots are you coloring orange? Only 3. Pause the video and do that. Now, I want you to draw a bug down in the soil somewhere. The soil is the dirt that the carrots are in. Draw a little bug down there for me. Hit pause. Next up, you're going to draw 1 sun shining in the sky and 1 cloud. Pause the video and draw 1 sun and 1 cloud. All right, next, I want you to draw a little bumblebee. Try your best to draw a bumblebee anywhere on the picture. Pause the video and do that. The last thing you're going to do to your picture is you can color anything that isn't colored any way you would like to. You get to pick. When you're finished, you're going to find the answer key and check your page to see if it matches mine. If your page matches mine, I want you to go over to your teacher, give them a high five, and say, "I'm an awesome listener." Have fun, guys!